ourselves from harm, risk or injury.
Safety rules are the rules which we follow to keep ourselves safe. An accident is an unexpected incident which can harm us. Accidents happen anywhere and anytime. We should follow some rules. We should keep ourselves safe. Safety rules on road. First, we should walk on footpath. We should cross the road on the zebra crossing. We should not use mobile phone on walking on the road.
These are traffic signal lights. It contains 3 colors. Red tells us to stop. Yellow tells us to get ready. Green tells us to go. We should follow traffic signal lights.
Always follow traffic signal lights. Walk on the zebra crossing. Use seatbelt while driving in the car.
Wear helmet while going in the bicycle.
Always help the poor people while crossing the road.
Don't keep your head while traveling in the car.
Always walk on the footpath.
Don't play or run on the road.
We are going to explain safety at school. Do not poke pencils with each other. Do not fight in the class. Do not run in the corridor. Do not climb the step fastly. Do not run at the pace. Do not fight in the class. Be kind with your classmates. In the corridor. I am going to explain about safety at playground. Do not take any food from strangers. Do not push each other. Do not wait for your turn. Do not talk to strangers. Be kind with your friends while playing. Should not talk with strangers in playground. Do not talk. Do not accept or eat any food from the strangers. Say stop or go when the strangers try to harm us. Do not climb the trees in playground. Share the toys with your friends. Do not fight with your friends for toys. Always follow the rules and regulations of the game. Don't play the game in rough manner.
Safety at home. Arrange the toys and keep it safely in the rack.
Do not watch the television very near. It will affect the eyes. Do not play with the matchstick. Burst the crackers in the presence of elders. Don't climb the windows in your house. You may fall and get injured. Do not run on the wet floors. If you run on the wet floor, you may fall down. Do not play with sharp. If you break, you will cut your head. Do not touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. You may get shocked. You fall injured. Do not take medicines without permission. Don't climb the cupboards. You may fall down and get hurt. Arrange your things properly in the cupboard. Don't throw litter on the floor. Keep your surroundings clean.